One small parking spot, one decision that seems harmless, but just seconds later, the consequences are already clear on camera. Park Time brings you the moment when everything unfolds in a way no one expected. All right, can someone please explain what this driver was thinking? If you can't afford interior cleaning, maybe let nature handle it for you. Luckily, he managed to drive the car to a repair shop. Come on, no need to fight over parking spots. There are plenty of empty ones. One reckless overtake can turn an entire road into a situation no one can react to in time. Parking like this can get very expensive, my friend. Do you think slowing down early and observing carefully helps reduce risk around obstacles? This is extremely dangerous. Please be more careful with your actions. Maybe it's been a while since she last held the steering wheel. That would explain the slow parking. Cold weather and still going for a swim? Careful, you might freeze. Even with just 1 centimeter left, he's still confident. With skills like this, he'd probably ace the driving test. No ghosts here, just a car that forgot to pull the handbrake. Unfortunately, those barrier poles are going to need serious repairs. How long do you think this car will be parked wrong before it earns a tow truck ride? After having her parking spot stolen, she responded with a move so clever it shocked everyone. Giving way to an excavator doesn't waste time. It saves you from unnecessary trouble. All because of illegal parking, the situation quickly escalated into conflict. Which side are you on? They probably thought the no parking signs were just decorative reminders. Hopefully after this, the truck driver learns not to block other lanes again. No exceptions, even if you're the one who usually writes the tickets.
She's just giving us a ticket, why?
Because you're parked on the double yellow line. What is it?
We're waiting while we're stationary.
You probably shouldn't pick a fight with this parking enforcement officer.
Face it.
What, and you didn't buy parking right behind us?
I'm taking it first. It doesn't matter where I park.
Hey! Hey, you can't park there!
Even Mother Nature disagrees with careless parking.
101.
Always know your vehicle's height to avoid unpleasant surprises. Looks like he's already browsing for his next car after getting compensation, don't you think? When trust collapses, the car becomes collateral damage in an emotional war. The car isn't broken, it's just being repositioned for better balance. People thought it was snow clearing. Turns out it was a winter car flip show. Getting on bad terms with your neighbor is always complicated. Not only did she damage 2 cars, she even fixed her wig afterward.
Oh my God.
Park legally. No fines, no trouble, until the tree says, "Protect my roots."
Where am I supposed to?
This is how side-loading trucks are used to solve parking problems. A parking war escalated, and someone brought a saw to settle it. Don't solve problems like this, it's costly.
Вот так паркуются у нас без спутников.
A surprise-free car wash lucky owner. How would you handle this case of illegal parking? A solution for careless neighbors and homeless vehicles blocking your driveway. They didn't say a word, they just acted.
Yay!
Ein anderer Content, aber das habe ich noch nie über Leben
You can't park there, my friend.
Kriegt man das denn hin?
Park as if the rules don't apply and watch your car take an unexpected real-world trip. This is what happens when you keep parking carelessly. Don't choose such a dangerous spot to park. Stay safe, everyone. A driver parks in front of a fire hydrant and discovers one rushed steering move can come with very real consequences. This will be the last parking spot for this car. And that's Park Time, where small decisions on the road can create big stories. If you enjoy real-life traffic moments that are both entertaining and unforgettable, don't forget to follow the channel.